चीपेस्ट में भी हो जाता है। अब मुझे 20K के लिए भी थैंक यू बोलना क्योंकि मैंने बोला नहीं है।
और क्या बोलना?
और थैंक यू। क्या हुआ? Hi guys, it's me Sonia and welcome back to my channel. So recently I went to Sarojini Nagar market on Monday and I bought a lot of things, and also in my community tab a lot of you were saying that Sarojini is either closed on Monday or it starts late, but that's not the case. Sarojini is open on Monday and it opens at 10:30, so you can definitely go there to shop because crowd is less in morning. So yeah, and yeah, Monday is the best time to go to Sarojini Nagar market because there you can find clothes in the cheapest of prices like 20, 30, 50 rupees. Trust me because मैंने लिए हैं and I'm so happy about it. So I'll be showing you all of that. Also, before we begin, a big thank you to all of you for 20K. That is so huge. And yeah, let's do 25 very, very soon and let's get started. So first up is this plain white top with some crisscross detailing at front, which to be honest looks super cute and decent to carry. Now the best part, its price. You guys are genuinely not going to believe me if I tell you that I got it for only rupees 50. I mean 50 rupees mein kya aata hai guys, but here we are. And on one side it also has this chain going on which makes it super easy to wear and remove. So yeah, plus point for that. And for bottoms, I got these capri style capri. I hope you remember this style, guys. I remember I used to wear them in my 7th grade, and when I found them, I had to get them, and they fit perfectly. As you can see, my size is pretty difficult to find, so whenever I see almost anything in my size, I just get it for future purposes, you know. And this one again is for rupees 50. Insane, I know. Then I got this another trendy mixed print shirt, very popular these days. I can wear it as it is or as a cover up for my strappy tops, or just simply give a nice knot at front. So many things with just one shirt. And again, this one is for only rupees 30. Not again, but yeah, this one is for rupees 30. Yes guys, no cuts, perfect condition, but you really have to get your hands dirty to find these kind of perfect quality clothes on Monday. Then I got this whole set which I know looks very pretty, and don't you think guys that the skirt looks like Forever 21 and top is from Shein? Well, these are from Sarojini with the exact same quality, and the whole thing costed me only rupees 50, not even kidding. The skirt costed me 20 rupees and the top is for 30. Insane, so summery and fresh and just loving the vibes here. Then I got this great dress which makes me slightly look like a nurse, but who cares? The material is cotton and is perfect for a brunch or just a casual day out with friends. It also has this ruffle detail going on at bottom which looks super cute. I anyway needed these kind of skirts and dresses for summer, and I got this one for only rupees 50. Yay! Then I have this casual formal set, bought both of them separately just like my previous set. Paired this one with this cute ruffle skirt because seriously I just cannot do jeans in summer, but this top will also look good with pants, which is a win. So yeah, this whole thing costed me only rupees 100. I mean 100 rupees mein ek full outfit. This is crazy. I think you guys should definitely visit Sarojini on Monday. And then I just randomly found my favorite vintage dress for only rupees 200. Now this might sound a bit funny or weird to some of you, but this one is the most expensive thing from today's shopping haul. So yeah, I just love vintage anything and this is my love. Now the straps are a bit loose and hanging, which I can fix, so yeah, no big deal. Otherwise I just cannot wait to style it properly and show it to you guys. Would probably share a picture on my Instagram or here on the community tab. So yeah, do look for that. And then finally I got two more skirts. This green one is a wrap-on skirt which looks like something from Shein. Have never tried these kind of prints, and also green for bottoms. Never. So this one is definitely an experimental piece for me, and I got this one for only rupees 50, which I think is perfect because you can style it in a lot of different ways. So yeah, I'm excited to style it. And finally, from the same shop, I got one more skirt, slightly bigger from the rest, and this one is again for rupees 50. I was not even planning to get so many skirts, guys, but I just found my sizes, and that too in such cheap rates. So Why not? That's all I had for you guys today. I hope that you guys loved watching the video. Also, do not ask for the stall numbers because I went there on Monday and Monday ko it's all patris. So yeah, they keep on moving, they keep on shifting, they keep on changing. So yeah. Anyway, do let me know your favorite outfit in the comments down below. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.